Intriguing facts about female intimacy that you may not know about, and that will certainly surprise you. Hello, welcome. Before we continue, I invite you to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any content. There is a lot of curious information about the vagina, such as size, color, and smell. In this video, I'll share some details you need to know. The color of the vagina does not follow a fixed pattern and can change throughout a woman's life. What you see externally is not exactly the vagina, but rather the vulva. The vagina itself is a muscular and elastic organ that does not lose its firmness, even after sexual intercourse or natural birth. The average depth of the vagina is about 7 centimeters, but it can expand significantly when a woman is excited during sex. The vagina is home to thousands of bacteria that play an essential role in maintaining female intimate health. Among these bacteria are lactobacilli, which are responsible for keeping the vaginal pH balanced and also provide a natural and pleasant odor. Color variation. The color of the vagina, or vulva, can differ and shift throughout a woman's life owing to elements such as hormones, blood circulation, and skin pigmentation. This emphasizes the inherent variety among women and challenges the misconceptions of a typical look. Vulva versus vagina. Numerous individuals incorrectly call the external genitalia the vagina, but the correct term for what is seen externally is the vulva. The vagina is the inner muscular passageway. Flexibility and operability. The vagina is referred to as a muscular and flexible organ, highlighting its extraordinary capacity to adjust. Whether in the course of childbirth or during sexual activity, its elasticity enables it to adjust to considerable changes without a lasting reduction in firmness. Depth and amplification. Although the average depth of the vagina is around 7 centimeters, its capacity to stretch considerably during sexual excitement showcases its flexibility. This bodily reaction, known as vaginal tenting, enhances comfort and promotes intimacy. Microbial wellness. The vagina houses lactobacilli, helpful bacteria that are essential for preserving its health. They generate lactic acid, maintaining the vaginal pH at a mildly acidic level, approximately 3.8 to 4.5. This acidity stops harmful bacteria from proliferating and aids in preserving a healthy microbiome. The reference to lactobacilli generating a natural and pleasant scent emphasizes the role of the body's natural functions in promoting hygiene and health, questioning social taboos or misconceptions regarding vaginal odors. Additionally, there are Bartholin glands that serve to lubricate the vagina both prior to and during penetration. Another intriguing aspect is that the vagina possesses a natural cleaning system, which occurs through a white discharge that may be visible on the underwear during the day. The clitoris, for its part, has approximately 10,000 nerve endings, rendering it extremely sensitive and crucial for female sexual enjoyment, over twice the amount found in the penis. Not every woman is born with a hymen, and its dimensions can differ because of hormonal factors. Additionally, the hymen may tear during penetration or even while performing daily activities. Numerous men think that the vagina produces odd sounds because of a certain issue, but this is actually caused by air entering the vaginal space. When air gets trapped and then released during penetration, this distinctive sound is produced. Ultimately, just as no two bodies or faces are alike, no two vaginas are precisely the same. Share in the comments which of these interesting facts you were already aware of. If you recall anything that wasn't discussed, please share it with us. A huge embrace and catch you in the upcoming video.